Today we are looking at the Mintion Nutopress Heat Insert Press Kit, a tool designed to make installing threaded inserts into 3D prints easier and more precise. If you have ever struggled with insert melting in crooked or damaging your part, this kit promises to fix that. Let's see if it lives up to the claims. In the box, you get the user manual, the soldering iron, and all the main parts. They also throw in some tools for putting it together, tools you will use while running it, a bunch of adapter heads, and even some brass inserts to get you started. Basically everything you need to start using it right away. Assembly is pretty simple and doesn't take much time at all. The user manual can be a little bit confusing, but they do include a QR code that links to a video guide. Retraction mechanism seemed to be a little bit weak and it didn't pull it up all the way. It can be caused by the tight rollers. The up and down movement runs on an aluminum extrusion with rollers, and you can fine tune them using the eccentric nut. If I got retraction working fine, the arm wasn't stable anymore. I adjusted it until the arm movement felt nice and stable, but the retraction still wasn't quite as smooth as I'd like. But after I started using it more, the problem pretty much fixed itself. I think it just needed a bit of time to wear in. I also noticed that if you push the arm all the way down, it will hit the side of the hole in the base. The red sticker is a little bit off too. If you rotate the soldering iron inside the arm, it lined up correctly and doesn't hit anymore, but the screen isn't facing you. Honestly, it's not really an issue, because when you are actually using it, you'll never push the arm that far down anyway. If you did, the heated insert will just punch right through your print. So if you prefer, you can just turn it back so the screen faces you again. The adapter tips can be stored right in the slots on the base, and you can twist them in place so they are secure. That way, if you move the press around, they won't spill out. Using it is really straightforward. First, you pick the right adapter tip for the size of heat inserts you are using. The kit includes 6 from M2 up to M8. Just screw the tip in place before you power it on. The power cable is about 80 cm long, which is plenty. Once it's plugged in, you hold down the middle button for 3 seconds to start heating. The soldering iron is rated at 90 watts, so it heats up pretty quickly. You can adjust the temperature with the plus and minus buttons, and on the back of the manual there is a chart with recommended settings for different filaments. For PLA I set it to 220 degrees. To test it I used these 3D prints. The hole size matters a lot. This test print is designed to help you find the right hole size. With the inserts included in the kit, 4.2mm seemed perfect. Installing them was super easy. I also tried slightly larger holes, and honestly the results were even better. If you want an even smoother surface, you can just press the insert down with something flat while it's still warm. I have installed some heat inserts before with just soldering iron, and it wasn't very easy to get consistent results. But with this tool it's not difficult at all. The maximum height of the parts you can work on is about 10 cm, which is decent, but I kind of wish it was a little taller. You can swap the aluminum extrusion for a longer one if you need more height. The cable and retraction systems seems to have more range for it. Overall, this is a really handy tool if you use a lot of heat inserts in your prints. It even comes with a soldering tip, so you can use it as regular soldering iron too. All the tips and inserts can be stored neatly in the drawer built into the base. Before I tried it, I thought a drill press style handle might make it easier, but after using it, I didn't feel like I needed one. And if you really want it, it's simple enough to 3D print an add-on. Bottom line, it's definitely a solid tool to have on your workstation. If you want to try this tool yourself, I added link in the description.